So here's your new home. Looks like the grass is cut a couple days ago. Looks good. Coming in. Front door, the maids are still here, cleaning up. So I'll come back out again and do and check it out, make sure everything's good to go. They're here cleaning now. Here's the couch and lamps, TV. So the maids are still here. It's about 2 o'clock my time. Again, I'll come back when they're done and do another double check on everything for you. And I'll go get a key made for me, and then I'll get the key to the neighbor. The office area. Blinds still here. Bathroom. Okay, they've vacuumed all the carpets. I'm going to try to walk gingerly. Extra blinds there. The blinds are still on. Carpets are nice and clean. They just vacuumed. Done the side of the house already. My wife out in the back, looking around. Looks like they're still cleaning in here. Other cleaning supplies. Hair dryer attached. Closet empty. Smells very clean in here. They're doing a good job, it looks like. Hello. Cabinets, lighting still here. Looks like still cleaning in here. Definitely got a little more cleaning in here they're doing. Looks like they're gonna be here for a little bit longer. Electrical panels. So they got a little more to do here. They're still doing a lot of cleaning here, so I'm just gonna reach around. They've already started vacuuming here. Is she still picking all this stuff up? Or is she still picking this stuff up, or is that?
Yes, I'm speaking.
Oh, okay.
And
Owner's coming back?
no movie, no.
No move. So,
No move.
so they is that? Do you know if the owner's coming back? The person that sold?
She live
Yeah.
back in the
Okay, I'll call her.
No.
Oh, she's still moving. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Still getting some more stuff. So it looks like they're doing a good job getting cleaned up. So, got this. My puppy is out here on the deck. We wouldn't let him in the house. No, Bo. Say hi. Looks like she's still getting a couple more things here. Again, I'll come back and check. You don't want to be in there? I told him you're here already. So, looks like she's got a couple more. That's the patio furniture leaving, it looks like. Say hi.
Hi. Congratulations.
Okay. I'll go get a key made and make sure the neighbor has a key.